Hi everybody, thank you for joining me today. So today's video is going to be about some Happy Mail that I got from a viewer. And I'm just going to go through and show you some of the things that she sent me. And I'm just going to go ahead and dive on in. This is the first time anyone's ever sent me some stuff, and so I was really excited. Now, she did let me know that the items that she was sending, some of them, she was clearing out her craft room herself, and she was like, well, maybe you could use it. So I said, send it. Now, this tin is super cute. It has all these little stamps, and it's all Christmas related: snow, the snowflake, deer, reindeer, Santa, the stockings, which would be really cute on December daily or cards, things that you're making for the holidays. These are tags, and they have adhesive at the top, and then you can write your to and from. I think they're super cute, and I like the tins they're in. There was this washi tape, which is really nice. It has a really cool texture and it's glittery, so I'm good with it. We got this flower stamp and then the uh, graduation cap. And then there was also these stamps where it was some different stamps for the holidays. And I like how they're, like US stamps, so you can make it look like if you wanted to stamp them on your envelope with your stamp, be super cute. And then I'm going to put those back into the plastic baggie. All right. And then I'm going to grab, okay, yeah, this is the ribbon. And there was a lot of ribbon, more ribbon than I thought. There was this one, which is wired, and it's really pretty with the um, pine cones. And then 3 rolls of the silver and white one, which would be really good for um, wreaths or anything like that that you make. There was a package of more washi tape, Christmas washi tape. There were some of these green tags, and then these are like card fronts that you can build on top of to put on top of your cards. Some gift labels. There was some art glitter. I think it was the glitter glue. Some more tags. And oh, those other things were brown bags, like for goodies, like these, but they were just a little bit smaller. Now these are really cool. I don't do a lot with painting on T-shirts, but they say that you can use this with stencils on clothes, and if you can do it on clothes, I'm sure you can use it on uh, paper. So I'll take those. That's awesome. And then there's the glitter spray paint, which would be really good on, like I said, the different shirts. A container of glitter. Can't have too much glitter. Some pipe cleaners, which I can use when I'm making some wreaths. I just started doing that, so I don't have a whole lot. So it'll be good to, build up my collection as far as that's concerned. And then a whole bunch of the reindeers, which are super cute, which I'm going to use for my December daily this year. Some, is it Mambi? Is what they say it. There's Christmas stickers, sentiments, dates. Uh, there's all different kind of stickers in that. And then there's another one where it's like almost like chipboard pieces. And these are super cute. They got the dates, and then these are flat stickers. So that's really cool. And then I have some storage. And this I was thinking about using for my diamond painting. Oh, and she sent me some ink pads. I'm showing you here. The Brilliance. There's like the sky blue. I've never used Brilliance before, so I, these are interesting to me. They're archival. And there was one open gold and then one that was still in plastic. And then I love the archival ink. I use that all the time, especially for watercoloring. So I'm just super grateful for everything that she sent, and it was super kind of her. And I just wanted to say thank you. Here are some more close-ups, and it just made my day. I mean, Happy Mail it does exactly that. It puts a smile on your face, and there's goodies to play with. Because as far as being crafters is it's fun when you can get something new to you and play and have a good time. So I'm super grateful and thankful. So at the end here, I'm going to have links to other videos I've done. And I hope that if you're just finding me, you'll click on one of these photos and see what else I can offer here on the channel. And I hope you have a great day.